My name is Shannon Hill. I am a wife, mother of 3, and a registered nurse. We bought our house in 2013, and over the next few years, I started noticing changes in my health. The hardest part was not even being able to take care of my own children. At my worst, I missed about 7 months of my children's life because I was bedbound 95% of the time. I was tested for autoimmune diseases. I had multiple MRIs done, scans of various sorts, and tons of lab work, and everything came back negative. In May of 2020, that's when things got bad fast. I became so sick and malnourished that they had to place a GJ feeding tube into my stomach and small intestine in order to essentially give me the nutrients to keep me alive. I begged my husband to put me out of my misery, because even though I loved my kids, I couldn't be there for them, and I wasn't a wife. If there was never going to be an answer and I was never going to have an end to this, then the quality of life was absolutely zero. In September of 2020, I started consulting with a functional diagnostic nutritional practitioner, and one of the first things that she advised me to do after hearing about my journey was to get my house checked for mold by a reputable company.
I'm Michael Rubino. I turned 6 spaces into healthy dwellings. Once I got the initial results from Shannon Hill's home, she had exorbitant amounts of mold that I knew was impacting her air quality, which was impacting her health. At that point, I advised Shannon to immediately vacate so she could start to get the healing process started.
My husband, 3 kids, and myself moved out of our house and into an RV on our property. Within 7 days, I actually started to feel better, clearer, stronger. I'll just be forever grateful to All American Restoration for helping me get my life back.